I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. The Progressive Insurance New York Boat Show is celebrating its 115th anniversary. It's the world's first and longest running boat show and kicks off today at the Javits Center. Joining me to talk about the state of the boating industry is Frank Hugelmeyer, president of the National Marine Manufacturers Association. Frank, it's the 115th anniversary of the Progressive Insurance Boat Show. What can visitors expect when they go to the boat show?
Well, they're going to see some of the best new technology that you could possibly imagine in boating. Sort of what we are seeing is the technology you've been seeing in cars, predictive technology, new technology, voice command, all of that's moving into the marine industry, and it's very exciting innovations that we're starting to see at the show. So they're also going to see some of the well, basically, when they go in there, they're going to want everything.
Is there anything cool that we might see, an unusual type of boat?
Well, what we're seeing is a trend towards wave sports, action sports, which obviously are very attractive to younger consumers, personal watercraft. You're seeing a hybridization of things like fishing into personal watercraft. You're seeing a lot of great new center console boats, which are fantastic for the New York region. Having grown up here on a boat, I know how I'd be all over that right now and want to take that home. And then we're seeing some of the larger fiberglass boats with cruise capabilities and in cabins, kitchens, the whole bit. It's really a terrific mix of product at the show.
How were 2019 sales, and what can we expect to see in 2020?
Well, we just finished our best 2 years in the last 12 years. And so we're on a rise right now, and we're on a growth trajectory that's largely being driven by consumers moving. Obviously, the strong economy is one, but the other is consumers are moving towards experiences. And anyone in the experience economy or outdoor recreation economy is doing well. In fact, it was just measured by the Bureau of Economic Analysis, the government itself, and they found that outdoor recreation is $778 billion industry, drives 2.2% of the U.S. GDP, and recreational boating and fishing is the largest single sector at $170 billion. So we drive a lot of business in the United States, and in fact, we've been outpacing the growth of the U.S. economy. That grew at 2.4 last year. We grew at 3.9%. So you're seeing just a strong shift of the consumers, both boomers as well as millennials, into experiences. And that's what we do. We're in the quality of life, pursuit of happiness business.
Okay, so you talk about sales being strong, but have any global challenges impacted boat sales, such as Brexit or the trade wars?
So we've not seen really any effect from Brexit at all. We did see some headwinds in the early stages of the trade wars. We're seeing more and more relief. We still have a challenge with Europe because they've got a 25% tariff on exports, American exports. We don't have that, so they're really gaining some market share, and we're seeing some U.S. market share lost in the European market. But you have to realize American technology, American boat builders, they're the best in the world. This is a uniquely American product, and outdoor recreation is something that American brands lead in worldwide. So we're still seeing good growth trajectory, but we have some work to do in the European Union.
Okay, and finally, how do boat shows such as the Progressive Insurance Boat Show help the industry?
Well, 50 to 60% of all boat sales are sold through or generated at a boat show. We're the largest boat show provider in the world, NMMA. We serve our members and make sure that we're able to get that product in front of the consumers. And we're in the early part of that season. Really, New York is the big kickoff for everyone. And so we're excited, the consumers are excited, the CEOs are excited, the companies are feeling pretty positive. So it plays a critical role, not only for the manufacturers, but also those local retailers, service providers, and obviously at the end of the day, the consumer themselves who get to enjoy this amazing lifestyle activity.
Great. Thank you very much. That was Frank Hugelmeyer, president of the National Marine Manufacturers Association.